Tired of using your sleek Samsung remote just to change the volume while watching Fios? This year your Verizon Voice Remote can do it all. Whether you have a new QLED or an older Samsung Smart TV, getting that one remote setup is essential for a clean coffee table. So first, to begin, let's let the hardware do the work. So just point your remote at your Fios box and press the menu button. Navigate to Settings, Voice Control, Fios TV Voice Remote, and then Program Voice Remote. Select Automatic Setup. Your Fios box will ping your Samsung TV. If you see a success message and your volume works, you're done. If not, don't worry, Samsung TVs have a specific backup method. And of course, if your auto setup fails, we go manual. So go back to that same menu, but select Manual Setup and type in Samsung as your brand. The screen will give you a code, usually 3063 or 20491 for newer 4K models. Pro tip: if you can't access the menu, hold the play, pause, and 0 buttons together until the remote light flashes blue. Then hold the TV power button on the remote while pointing it at the TV. Once it turns off, release the button and hit OK to lock it in. So total control, one remote. That's it. If we helped you sync, like and subscribe.